Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to recharge Amazon Prime Video. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Amazon Prime Video application, which you can do either on the Google Play Store or on the App Store depending on which device you have. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Amazon Prime Video. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Amazon Prime Video videos where you can see how you can do that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see here, we have the official Amazon Prime application where we have some of the original movies from the Prime and series in one place. So if you want to go to see some only movies, you can click on movies. And if you only want to see TV shows, you can click on TV shows. Now, when you go and download a TV show, it will be in your downloads here. And if you want to search for something, it will be in your search here. Also, in the top right corner, when we click on your profile picture, you can go to settings. And here, guys, in the settings option, you'll have everything about your account. So you'll have your settings and everything about your account. As you can see, some legal stuff, notifications, and everything in one place. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and recharge Amazon Prime Video. Well, guys, if you have a membership on Prime Video, then you do not have to recharge. It will do by itself. Now guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.